97 of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we'll take a look at how to use Heiken Ashi candlesticks in our trading. Heiken Ashi candlesticks are a good way to identify the trend and stay with the trend. I will show you how to enter a trade based on Heiken Ashi candlestick patterns and where to place your stop loss and how to exit the trade with a profit. So let's go on to the charts now.
We're looking at a Heiken Ashi trading strategy. This is pound US dollar 1 hour chart. When trading with Heiken Ashi, it's important to remember that the candlesticks would not have any kind of pins in the bottom if there is a strong trend upwards. So we are looking for entries where we see good size candlesticks and we see that the price starts to move upwards. When the market is going sideways, you will see that candles will be kind of like this. They'll be small. There won't be much change in the size of the candlesticks. So we have to wait for the candlesticks to actually give us good size, which means that the momentum is coming into the market and the price is likely to move. If the candles are just sideways, it just means that there really isn't much momentum to either side and price may just go sideways. So in this case, we wait for the candlesticks to get larger and momentum to come into the market. Once we get a couple of good candlesticks here, we can enter the trade long. Our stop would go below these candlesticks just to make sure we have some room for the trade to breathe in case price comes back. So we stay with the trade for as long as the price keeps moving higher here. And as we can see, our candlesticks are nice and large. And then we see that the price starts to taper off here and the candlesticks start to get smaller in size. So this means that the price doesn't have momentum anymore. And now we can either get a pullback or we may just sit in a sideways market for a while. So once we see a couple of red candlesticks, this shows that the price is pulling back now. So at this point, we would exit the trade because price could actually reverse directions here. Once you get a couple of good candlesticks here, red candlesticks, we would exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we have 220 pips in the trade or a profit of $2,200 when trading one standard lot. So just to recap here, this is Heiken Ashi candlesticks that we are using here. We wait for a couple of good candlesticks to form, which shows there's momentum in the market to the upside, and then we enter the trade long here. Our stop goes below these candlesticks, making sure we have enough room in the trade to breathe, and then we stay with the trade as long as the candlesticks are large and the price is moving higher. And once the price starts to taper off and we see a couple of good size red candlesticks, time to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we have 220 pips in the trade or $2,200 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points. So you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe below. It was a pleasure sharing this trade setup with you, and I will be back with another great trade setup next time.